Academic Advising Office provides advising and support to first-year students to ensure their successful academic progress. You can schedule an appointment with academic advisors to discuss questions or concerns related to academic performance, transfer decisions, university policies and procedures, course scheduling and major requirements, as well as campus life. Academic advisors offer individual, both online and offline appointments. For the advising session, you can schedule appointments online via Google Calendar on our website. We hope that this method of self-scheduling online provides you with more convenience and autonomy. You can schedule an appointment with your advisor by following these steps. First, visit the AAO website. On the homepage, click on the Academic Advising tile, then click on the Make an Appointment button that appears. A new screen titled Make an Appointment with Academic Advisor will appear. Follow the required prompts to schedule your appointment. As you scroll down, you will see the list of advisors available for the meeting. If you do not know who your advisor is, go to the register website to find information about your advisor. If there is new information or you have questions, send us an email. Once you have selected an advisor, you will see available meeting times as well as the meeting mode, online or offline. Choose the convenient date and time for your appointment on Google Calendar. Once you make an appointment, you will see the screen asking for details of the meeting. Please fill in the reason for your visit under the description section, for example, transfer between schools. Then click on the Save button on the bottom side of the page. As you make the appointment, a confirmation email will be sent to your email account and the meeting will appear on your Google Calendar. Confirmation email will include the date, time, and location details based on the meeting mode you selected. Students are encouraged to use their new email account for making an appointment. Students must select an appointment time at least 1 hour in advance of when they schedule. To cancel an appointment, view your upcoming appointment on Google Calendar and click Cancel so that it is available for other students. Once you have rescheduled the appointment, you will receive a new confirmation message. If the advisor needs to cancel an appointment, you will be notified by email. The message will direct you to return to Google Calendar to reschedule or identify the advisor who will be meeting with you at the time you had scheduled with the original advisor. If you have any questions, please contact your advisor directly or email us for any form of assistance. We look forward to meeting you soon and happy to answer any questions to ensure your first year experience at NU is smooth and positive. See you soon!